So let me show you how to withdraw from Web3 wallet Binance. So after you open up now the Binance Web3 wallet like this now, go to this asset at the bottom right side. After you come to asset, now go and find the token or the crypto you want to withdraw. So for me, let's say I want to withdraw BNB from the Binance Web3 wallet. Select the BNB. After I selected the BNB like this now tap on this send button. So make sure you copy the address of the coin or of the crypto token that you want to withdraw. So for me, it is BNB. I copy the address from my exchanger, from my Binance exchanger, or you can copy the address from wherever you want to send the BNB or the token. So after you copy the address, just paste in the address in this option. For me, it's BNB. I'll paste in the address. So after you paste in the address, it will verify the address and allow you to tap on this continue button. So after you tap on the continue button, here it will ask you to type in the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 20 BNB. After you type in the amount, so now tap on this continue button. After you tap on this continue button, from there it will send the BNB or the crypto token to the exchanger that you copy the address from it. And that's it, guys.